Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to AS Unlocker Solution. We are going to show you how can we bypass the MEID phone with network. If you have no Mac, you can see this phone is connected on my MacBook, and you can see there is no phone connected on my Mac. It's a charger cable. If I remove it, you can check that you can think that it is the phone USB. No phone connected on my Mac, but you can see here the phone is connected one. I mean this phone is connected remotely by a Flexi Hub. User has no Mac. A user PC name is Nadim PC. This is the user, and he has connect one phone on his PC, and I have connect this phone on my MacBook remotely by a Flexi Hub. What is the Flexi Hub? You can ask. Flexi Hub, it is a virtual USB cable. You can think it is totally virtual USB cable. If you connect your phone on your PC, then Flexi Hub help us to connect your phone. Also connect on my PC. You can share your phone USB by Flexi Hub from the corner of the world of anywhere. You can see I will try to bypass it. You can see this serial is not authorized. We have to buy this serial, and we can buy the service from asunlocker.com. I have already order on AS Unlocker for this serial. You can see this serial is in process. When this order will be successfully completed, we can bypass the phone. You can see this phone serial is here, and I have ordered it. I can show you the if I connect in disconnect here, you can see there is no phone. If I connect again the phone, and you can see here the phone information. You can take service from asunlocker.com if you have no Mac to bypass a MEID phone, because this MEID activator totally Mac tool. It's not support any Windows. So we can help you via Flexi Hub. We can bypass your phone. You have no Mac, don't worry. We are here to bypass your phone. You can see this serial set unauthorized. We are waiting to complete the order. When order will be completed, we can start to bypass the phone. It may take few minutes. We have to wait few. We can check our order again. It is done or not. User has no Mac, so I am doing from my Mac. You can see order is completed, so we can start bypass. If you have no Mac, you can contact with us. Phone is connected. You can see via Flexi. User, this phone is connected on Nadim PC, and I have connected this phone via Flexi Hub on my MacBook, and we will start connect bypass. Just click on the active device. You can see here the phone is MEID. You can see here the MEID number, IMEI number, MEID number, serial number. If you want, you can see again that I have no phone connected on my Mac. If you want to bypass your phone iCloud, it supports 5S to iPhone X MEID device with SIM network. If you want to bypass, you can contact with us. We can help you if you have no Mac. Also, please subscribe our YouTube channel and share your opinion in comments box, and stay with AS Unlocker Solution and keep using asunlocker.com to unlock any kinds of phone. It's remotely, so take 1 or 2 minutes to bypass. If you connect your phone on your Mac, and if you try this tool, so it will be done instant, but remotely take few minutes. because it's sending comments here, and comments is going to via this Flexi Hub on their PC, user PC, and user PC send the instruction on his cell phone. So it's working slow. Please keep using asunlogger.com to unlock any phone. You can see the device successfully activated. I mean, it's successfully bypassed, and the user can enjoy, and the user can unlock his phone and can use SIM with network. Everything will be done, and I can disconnect his phone, and I will notify him via messenger. He has sent this order via Facebook Messenger, and I will notify him that his phone is done. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you, and you can take our service and you can understand what is the Flexi Hub also. Flexi Hub, it is a virtual USB cable, nothing else. Flexi Hub help to share USB port and USB any kinds of port via virtually. So don't worry, stay with asunlogger and enjoy asunlogger.com.